Hello students, how are you all? I think all of you are fine. And this is the session for class 2nd. I welcome again you in this session. In this session today I am taking English literature and this is the revision lecture 1 and this is the revision lecture 1 of lesson 4, that is Lord Hanuman. आपने प्रीवियस लेक्चर में लॉर्ड हनुमान से रिलेटेड स्टोरी और एक्सरसाइज के बारे में जाना. नाउ इन दिस लेक्चर वी विल recall all the things related to this particular lesson. So what I am taking in this revision lecture, we will recall lessons summary, then we will recall the exercises which we have done earlier. जो हमने पहले की थी हम उस exercises को भी recall करेंगे. And in the last I will tell you how to attempt test, कि आप लोग test कैसे attempt करेंगे, so that you are able to score good marks in the test. Now let's proceed with the summary. Hanuman, in this story you very well know Hanuman. Hanuman was a naughty boy. Hanuman was a naughty boy. Everybody loved him. इस स्टोरी में दिया गया है हनुमान एक नॉटी बॉय था और हर कोई उनको प्यार करता था. He was a plumpy and fat child. हनुमान was son of wind. किसके बेटे थे हनुमान? विंड के बेटे थे. He was strong and he can fly too. वो स्ट्रॉन्ग थे, ताकतवर थे और वो उड़ भी सकते थे. ये हनुमान की जो है कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स बताई गई हैं. One morning when he gets up he feel hungry. उनको क्या लगी? भूख लगी जब वो एक सुबह उठे. But he couldn't find anything. उनको कुछ नहीं मिला. Then when he couldn't find anything, जब उनको कुछ नहीं मिला, because of it, उसकी वजह से his eyes ball grows big. और गुस्से की वजह से उनकी आँखें जो हैं वो बड़ी हो गई, वो बड़ी करने लग गए. Now he was searching for the food and in the sky what he see sun. The sun was just rising at the time. बट हनुमान जी को नहीं पता था ये सन है, ये सूरज है. उनको क्या लगा? इट लुक्स लाइक रेड राउंड फ्रूट. उनको लगा कि ये कोई बड़ा राउंड गोल फ्रूट है. ही फ्लू टू कैच द फ्रूट. और वो उड़ गए उस फ्रूट को लाने के लिए. ही टुक दैट फ्रूट इन बोथ हैंड्स. और उन्होंने उस फ्रूट को दोनों हाथों में पकड़ लिया खाने के लिए. देन द सन क्राइड. और तभी जो है सन जो है वो चिल्लाए. क्या चिल्लाते हैं अब सन? लेट्स सी. आई एम गोइंग टू ईट. व्हेन ही लिसन कि हनुमान इज सेइंग कि अब मैं इसे खाने जा रहा हूँ, तब सन चिल्लाए. एंड ही फ्रीड हिमसेल्फ एंड स्लैप्ड हनुमान जी. और उन्होंने अपने आप को फ्री करवाया हनुमान जी से और हनुमान जी को एक स्लैप लगा दिया. हनुमान फॉल ऑन द ग्राउंड. और हनुमान क्या है? वो ग्राउंड पर गिर गए. जब वो ग्राउंड पर गिर गए Then his second cheek was also hurted. One is hurted by the slap. एक जो है वो थप्पड़ लगने से चोटिल हो गया था और दूसरा जो है वो ग्राउंड पर लगने से. His cheeks were puffed and swollen. और उसके चीक्स जो थे वो फूल गए और सूज गए. Now हनुमान जी looks like a monkey. और अब हनुमान जी कैसे लगने लग गए? एक मंकी की तरह. And he has a wobbly teeth. और उनका एक टीथ भी जो है वो एक टूथ जो था वो अस्थिर हो गया, जर्जर हो गया. Now he looked in the mirror. और उन्होंने अपने आप को शीशे में देखा. He loved to see his funny mouth in the mirror. और उनको अपना ये फनी चेहरा मिरर में देखते हुए उन्हें काफ़ी अच्छा लगा. Now I hope you understand the story again. अब आपको स्टोरी समझ आ गई होगी. Now we will proceed to the question answers. I will ask few questions and let's see how much you have understand the story. कि आपको स्टोरी कितनी समझ आई है. Now the first question. Who was hungry? कौन hungry था? I know you very well know who was hungry. Hanuman. Now what he wants to eat? वो क्या खाना चाहते थे? He wants to eat a fruit जो कि उनको स्काई में नजर आ रहा था. Who was the son of wind? विंड के सन कौन थे? अगेन हनुमान. यू वेरी वेल नो, स्टोरी में भी आया था कि हनुमान जी किसके सन थे? विंड के. हु स्लैप हनुमान? द सन. द सन slapped हनुमान. What did हनुमान wanted to do? हनुमान जी क्या करना चाहते थे? हनुमान wanted to catch the sun, or you can write he wanted to eat. He wanted to eat that fruit क्योंकि उनको नहीं पता था कि वो सन है. Who was in anger? गुस्से में कौन थे? The sun was in anger. Now let's proceed to the next question. Who hold sun? सन को किसने पकड़ लिया? हनुमान. Who has wobbly tooth? Again इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर भी क्या होगा? हनुमान. हनुमान had wobbly tooth. What does हनुमान like? हनुमान को क्या पसंद था? हनुमान likes rainbow, butterflies. He liked these things, rainbow, butterflies, etc. Who fell on the ground? Ground पर कौन गिर गए? Again the answer is Hanuman. So in this way, with the help of these question answers, we recall the story again. हम लोगों ने स्टोरी दोबारा से recall कर ली. Now we will recall the word meanings again. अब हम word meaning भी एक बार दोबारा से recall कर लेते हैं. Now the word meanings are: the first word is naughty, N-A-U-G-H-T-Y, naughty. Naughty means nutcut. Second word puffed, P-U-F-F-E-D, puffed, फूला हुआ. Third word cried, C-R-I-E-D, cried. Cried means चिल्लाना. Now The next word is swollen. 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 Swollen means सूजा हुआ. Next word freed. 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 मुक्त कराना, आजाद कराना. Smacked. SMACKED. Smacked means चूमना. Plump. 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 मोटा. And the next word is flew. 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 Flew means उड़ना. So these are the word meanings. Two more words we have. Anger. 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 Anger means नाराज या गुस्सा. Wobbly. 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 अस्थिर. Now proceed to the next exercise. Now the exercise which you have done in the book. Baby Hanuman wanted to eat the sun. अब इसको क्वेश्चन फॉर्म में अगर पूछा जाए, who wanted to eat the sun? Baby Hanuman. The rising sun looked like a fruit. Third, the angry sun slapped Hanuman. Who slapped Hanuman? The angry sun. Hanuman liked the sunshine, the rainbow and the butterflies. So this is A part. Now we will continue with the question answers. Answer the following question. What did baby Hanuman see in the sky? Baby Hanuman saw sun in the sky. Now the second question. Why did Hanuman want to eat the fruit? कि हनुमान जी फ्रूट क्यों खाना चाहते थे? Hanuman wanted to eat the fruit because he was hungry. क्योंकि वो भूखे थे. Why was Hanuman strong? हनुमान जी strong क्यों थे? Hanuman was strong because he was son of wind. What gives Hanuman the look of a monkey? The slap given by sun gives Hanuman the look of a monkey. हनुमान को किसने एक मंकी जैसा लुक दे दिया? सन के स्लैप ने. So that's about the exercise. Now let's discuss more compound words. Match the columns to make new words. Here two columns are here, A and B, and we have to match A column word to B column word to make a new word, and that new word is called a compound word. So let's proceed. So the first word is washing, and with washing we will match the word machine. Washing machine, or all of you know about washing machine. आप सभी को washing machine के बारे में पता है. Now black. With black, what we will match? Board. Blackboard. आप सभी की classes में है blackboard. So again, we make a new word with the help of two words. So it is a compound word. Tooth. Toothbrush. I have earlier also told you in the previous lecture. मैंने आपको शायद previous lecture में भी toothbrush बताया था. Now D. Moon. Moonlight. Air. With air we will make air plane. E part. Snow. With snow we will match man. F part. Snowman. G part. Pine. With pine we will match apple, pineapple, G part, pineapple. With bus we will match stop, bus stop. Note, with note we will match book, notebook. Ground, with ground we will match nut, ground nut. Do you know what is ground nut? Ground nut होता है मूंगफली. After noon, and the last word is afternoon, दोपहर. जब आप घर जाते हैं तो you wish your teachers good afternoon. So these are the words which we make with the help of these two columns which are given. I hope आप लोगों को compound words बनाने आ गए होंगे. Now let's discuss the homework which was given you in the previous lecture. Mr. Sun and Miss Moon went for a walk carrying a basket of words. Check how many words they can make when added to sun or moon. So in this way again you have to make new words, new compound words with the help of two words. Sun and light are two words and we make a compound word from it, sunlight. Then the second word is moonlight. Then the third word is sunflower. सन और फ्लावर को जब हम मिला देंगे तो न्यू वर्ड बन जाएगा sunflower. Moonstone, MOON, moon, STONE, stone, moonstone. Now again word for with the help of sun we can make sunrise. Now one more thing I am going to tell you. It's not necessary कि always जो आपको word दिया जाए वो front में ही आए. You can make the word by adding at the end also, like honeymoon. So this is also a compound word. You can write sunset. So this is also a new word. You can write sunshine. So these are the words which you make with the help of moon and sun. Now let's start B part. I am a compound word. Name me. So here are few compound words and we have to use them as a hint for the given statements. I am a healthy drink. I have already told you in the previous lecture that how you have to do this homework. For it we will write milkshake. Healthy drink जो हम पीते हैं उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? milkshake. You can pack your cloth in me. आप मेरे अंदर अपने कपड़े पैक कर सकते हैं. So the word is suitcase. The place where aeroplanes land and take off. वो जगह है जहाँ एरोप्लेन लैंड होते हैं और जहाँ से उड़ान भरते हैं is airport. You put me in your eyes. तुम मुझे मेरी आईज में अपनी आईज में डाल सकते हो. आई ड्रॉप्स. यू कैन पुट अ फ्लावर इन मी. तुम मेरे अंदर फ्लावर रख सकते हो. फ्लावर पॉट. आई एम अ टेस्टी एंड जूसी फ्रूट. पाइनएप्पल. So this is the solution for the previous homework which was given in the previous lecture. I hope you understand it. आप लोगों को ये समझ आया होगा. And today's homework is that I will give you a assignment on EdQuark and you have to do the assignment in your notebook, and the assignment is related to your lesson 4. Now, as I have already told you that I will give you assignment and it will be available on EDQUAC website, and solution for the same will be provided on EDQUAC only, and the solution will be provided on EDQUAC on 20th till 8 am, and you will do the assignment accordingly. You can check your assignment accordingly, and on 20th May there will be a test of lesson 4. So be prepared for the test. I hope आप लोगों को ये लेसन अच्छे से समझ आया होगा, and if you have any problem you can ask थ्रू द मेल. आप मेरे से मेल से भी पूछ सकते हैं अगर आपको कुछ चीज़ समझ नहीं आई है या आप कुछ एडअप करना चाह रहे हैं. सो प्लीज़ you can subscribe this EDQUAC channel. You can like this videos which you watch, and even students you have to go through the lecture twice अगर आप लोगों को समझ नहीं आता है. I hope you understand. आप लोग समझ गए होंगे. You are able to do the homework. So best of luck for your test. Thank you.